Location is crucial for a thriving vegetable garden. Most vegetables need at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Ensure your garden gets plenty of sunlight and has well-draining soil. Healthy soil is the foundation of a successful vegetable garden. Test your soil's pH and nutrient levels. Add compost or well-rotted manure to improve soil structure and fertility. Consider no-till gardening to preserve soil health. Selecting the right vegetables depends on your climate, soil, and preferences. Choose vegetables suited to your local climate and space. Start with easy-to-grow vegetables like lettuce, radishes, and beans if you're a beginner. The quality of your seeds or seedlings can significantly impact your garden's success. Choose high-quality, disease-resistant varieties. Start seeds indoors before the last frost date or purchase healthy seedlings from a local nursery. Proper watering is essential for healthy vegetable plants. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. Water the base of the plants early in the morning to reduce evaporation and prevent disease. Crop rotation is crucial for maintaining soil health and preventing pests and diseases. Rotate vegetable families each year to reduce the risk of soil-borne diseases and maintain soil fertility. Hey everyone! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.